never really played in one of the sevens comps in Fiji from ever since I left school. So I guess this is one of my first sevens competitions, one of the biggest ones in Fiji. So I'm really excited. Really looking forward to the challenge, especially coming up against the national team and some of the teams from overseas. So yeah, I'm really excited and really keen for the challenge this weekend.
And having Serevi as a coach, how do you feel about it?
I was telling the boys it's like one for the memory books, one for the books, getting coached by the legend himself. So all the boys in the team are really keen, are really being a sponge this weekend just to try to absorb all the knowledge we can get from the legend himself. And I think it's not hitting us right now, but I think after the tournaments, when we're all said and done, I think we'll all sit back and see and all talk about this is one of the real highlights of our career, getting coached by Waisale Serevi.